Hey, what's up YouTube? So in this real quick video, I'm going to show you how you can assemble your own fading LED using this multi-mode LED here that you can find in various cheap electronic scrap. So for power, I'm using 3 primary alkaline batteries that are configured in parallel. And here's the switch. I just switched it on there, and you can see the patterns and the cycles that actually go through all the different wavelengths of this LED here. And in circuit, I have the output connected to this dropper resistor, which is connected in series to this ceramic capacitor here. So it's really quite simple in terms of its functionality. The dropper resistor and capacitor in circuit is important for regulating voltage, so that when the cycle meets its endpoint here, it's able to pull back up and go back to a fairly nominal range here. This works great with diffraction gratings.